Hello students, in this video we are going to learn glands associated with male reproductive system. These are the glands which forms or produces semen, which is the content responsible for the development, nourishment of the sperm. These are seminal vesicles, number 1. Second is prostate gland. Third is Cowper's gland, or also known as bulbourethral gland. Going one by one, first we discussed the seminal vesicles. It is a pair of glands lying on the posterior side of urinary bladder. It secretes an alkaline seminal fluid. Seminal fluid means what? The fluid secreted by seminal vesicle gland. This fluid contains fructose, which is the kind of sugar, fibrinogen, which is the glycoprotein, and prostaglandins is the form of lipids. It contributes about 60% of total volume of semen. What is semen? Semen is the fluid contributed by these three glands. Fructose provides energy for sperm movement, while fibrinogen coagulates the sperm into the bolus for quick propulsion in the vagina. Vagina is the part of female reproductive system. The prostaglandin stimulate reverse peristalsis in vagina and uterus, aiding faster movement of sperms towards the egg in the female body. Now moving to second gland, that is prostate gland. You can see in the figure, it is large and single gland made up of 20 to 30 lobes, and it is located underneath or below the urinary bladder. It surrounds the urethra and releases a milky white and slightly acidic prostatic fluid. You can see the seminal vesicle, that is seminal fluid, is alkaline, while the prostatic fluid is slightly acidic, as it contains citric acid, acid phosphatase, and various enzymes. It forms about 30% of volume of semen. The acid phosphatase protects the sperm from the acidic environment of vagina. In the figure, you can see enlarged prostate gland. It is seen in a prostate cancer. In this, men who are over 50 years of age and have daily high consumption of fat have an increased risk of prostate cancer. Moving to the last gland, third one is Cowper's gland or bulbourethral gland. It is small, pea-sized and paired gland situated on either side of urethra. These glands secrete an alkaline, that is basic, viscous means sticky, mucus means slippery fluid which act as a lubricant during copulation. In this way, these three glands contribute in semen formation. Semen is a viscous alkaline milky fluid having pH 7.2 or to 7.7, which is ejaculated during copulation. It contains about 400 million sperm, which nourishes, neutralizes acidity, and responsible for activation of sperm. In this way, you can describe the glands associated with the human male reproductive system. Thank you.